Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to rank your YouTube videos. So let me show you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how I do it. And let me first show you guys some of my own results. So let's look at the results. So you can see here, so this is one of my YouTube channel. This is a personal brand YouTube channel. So this is where I make videos on how to make money online, how to do Facebook ads and other things. So you can see here, I have 70 plus videos on this YouTube channel. So let's look at the analytic report. So let's go inside. In the last 90 days, this YouTube channel got 13,000 views. Because in this YouTube channel, it's really hard to rank because it's in business niche. The people who watch my videos are entrepreneurs. So there's a lot of advertisers and there's a lot of competition in this niche. But still, it managed to get me 13,000 views. So let's look at the monthly report on how much I'm getting per month. So you can see here, in the month of June, I got 2,000 because I wasn't publishing content. That's the reason the numbers are very low. So let's take a look at July, 4,000. So I started publishing content from July. So August, it was 4,300. So it's September right now, it's 2,400. It's going up. So mostly by end of this month, I'll be having like 5,000, 6,000 views coming in from just YouTube search. So let me also show you my second channel. So you can see here, this is my second YouTube channel. So on this channel, we got 24,000 views in the last 28 days. So you can see here, like pretty much all this traffic came from YouTube search. So let me also change that to last 90 days. So you can see here, in this channel, we got 68,000 views from YouTube search in the last 90 days. And these are the other views I got from like browse feature, suggested videos, notifications. So in this channel, we started with YouTube search and we slowly moved on to the other sources of traffic source. You can see here, suggested videos and browse feature. In the last 90 days, we got almost 500,000 views from browse feature and suggested videos. But initially, we were relying on YouTube search because YouTube search is one of the easiest way to gain traction on your YouTube channel because you won't have subscribers, you won't have any data on your YouTube channel. So you need to leverage YouTube search to gain traction. And once you have the data, YouTube will start to promote your content to suggested videos or browse feature. So let's dive in and let me show you guys how to do this. So first, let me show you guys how to do keyword researcher. For example purpose, let me type Adsense. So you can see I just search for Adsense arbitrage and I show up on the top result. You can see here, this is my first position and I also show up on the third position. And I have multiple videos on this particular ranking because I have a lot of videos on this particular topic. That's the reason I'm showing up on like almost 3 positions, guys. And I get a lot of traffic from this particular search term because let me show you guys the search volume on this one. So you can see here, it has 9,200 searches per month, and I show up on the top one. I still show up on the next things like 2020 or you can see here, traffic arbitrage 2020. Like pretty much I show up on all these search terms. So one of the easiest way to rank for a particular keyword is by making series of videos on that particular topic. So you can see here, this particular keyword has 9,200 search volume and I have made a lot of videos on this particular topic. So let me go inside my YouTube channel. So you can see here on this particular keyword, AdSense arbitrage, I have like 25 videos on this particular channel. So which means YouTube is going to consider my videos compared to others' videos. So you can see that's the reason YouTube is ranking my video in the first position, not in the second position, because I have more content related to this main content. So YouTube really like if someone watches one of your video and they keep on watching other videos on your own YouTube channel. For my case, you can see if someone watches this video, they're going to watch this one and this one. So which means YouTube is going to get signaled that. So I haven't mentioned that particular keyword like AdSense arbitrage on this particular topic, but still this particular video is getting a rank for it because when someone watches this video, they also watches this video. That's the reason it's also ranking for that particular keyword. At the same time, YouTube gets a signal that so this particular YouTuber is getting a lot of series of videos watched compared to other YouTubers. It will help you get ranked for that particular keyword. So let me show you guys how to find keywords from your YouTube channel. So what you need to do is just go to your analytics and let me go to the traffic source and you need to click on YouTube search. So it will give you the list of keywords you already ranking, so you can easily rank for that again. So what you need to do is just change that to 90 days. So you can see here it already gives you the data on where you're ranking and how your videos are performing on that particular position. So let me add average view percentage because YouTube will rank your content much higher when you have a higher percentage viewed. Like if you have a 10 minutes video and 5 minutes has been watched, that's 50% average percentage viewed. So when you have a higher percentage viewed, then they will rank your content. So these are the keywords I already ranked for on YouTube. YouTube is giving me this data. so I can look at it, I can easily make more content out of it. So you can see, so these are the 3 top keywords I have, like AdSense arbitrage 2020, Taboola, like ad serving has been limited. So these are the topics I have got a lot of views from. So if I make videos on this particular topic, again, I have more chances to get ranked for that particular keyword compared to others. So let me also look at other keywords. So you can see, so Facebook ads, so like they also watched my video 38%, so got 57 views from this particular keyword. So like if I make a video on that particular topic again, then I have more chances to get ranked for that video, because I have already ranked for that particular keyword, and I have people on average watch 6 minutes on that particular keyword. So what you need to do is you need to look for the particular keyword search volume. So just copy this keyword and go back to your YouTube, and so I use TubeBuddy Pro version. So if you guys are interested, you can still get it. I have a link in the description. It's my affiliate link. So I use the Pro version. You don't need to. So let me search for native ads. So you can see native ads is something like Taboola or Outbrain. It's an advertisement platform like Facebook ads. So so these are the search volume, like 112,000 search volumes. 3.42 is the number of videos I can find on this particular search term. So it's just giving me the overall score. So like TubeBuddy, what it does is, so if you don't have a Pro version, it won't show up like this. So it will show up like this. You can see here, it shows you like poor. And if I go to weighted, it shows as good. There's a reason why. Let me explain. So let me go back to unweighted. So you can see here, it just gives you the number of search volume and the competition. So it won't compare that particular search term with your own YouTube channel. If you have a Pro version, then what it does is it will compare that particular keyword to your YouTube search history. So you can see here, I already ranked for that particular word, and I already got like 18 views in the last 90 days. Like people watch like 3 minutes 47 seconds on that particular word, and it's almost like 43%. Like anything over 30 is very good on YouTube. So let me go back to the keyword explorer. So you can see here, so TubeBuddy is suggesting me that this particular keyword is very good for your YouTube channel. So that's the reason why I use Pro version compared to the free version, because it will give you specific score to your YouTube channel. So you can see how they mentioned it here. The score above is specific to your YouTube channel. So 47 out of 100. So it also says that good. So I have a high chances of getting ranked to this particular keyword. So you can see here, you versus top ranked video. It also gives you the average view you get compared with the top ranked video. So on average, the top ranked video got like 3,500 views on average, and my YouTube channel get around like 859 views. Like this is my average in the last 1 week. So this means I have more chances to get ranked, but still I need to perform really well to stay on that particular position, because it's not just about getting ranked and that's it. So YouTube also look at your data on how much they're watching. So let me go back to my channel. So you can see here. So like on this particular keyword, the people are watching like, so 43% on average, which means 3.47 minutes. So because I only made a video which has like 6 minutes duration, so that's the reason they watch just 50% of the content. If someone makes like 10 minutes video and they watch like 50% of the video, which means their average view duration will be around 5 minutes. So their video is going to get ranked higher compared to my video, because they have higher average view duration and higher CTR. So CTR also comes into play, because they also look at the how much CTR you're getting, but still YouTube don't provide us that particular information. You can see here, the CTR is overall, they just give us the average, but they give us the average view percentage viewed. So you already have good amount of audience on this particular keyword watching 43%, which means you can easily make a video on this particular topic and you can easily get ranked, because the audience are really interested on what is said in the last video. So you can easily replicate that, and you can keep on making more content on that particular keyword. So in this step, let me explain how you can use that particular keyword on your title, description, and on tags. So you can see here, so this is my title and description. Let me also show you the tags. So you can see the results, like you can see here. So I just made a video on Taboola ads. So Taboola ads is something like native ads. So I just made a tutorial on how to rank for, how to create a native ad on Taboola. So you can see how to create a Taboola account, how to create a Taboola campaign, and how to set up ads on Taboola. And I still got ranked for that particular website. It has high search volume, but still I got ranked for that. So let me show you guys the result. Let me go back to iCognito. So you can see I just searched for Taboola, and my video is getting ranked at second position. And there's a reason why this particular channel is getting ranked at the first position. Let me go to this YouTube channel so I can show you how many videos they have on this particular video. So the search term is taboola. Let me copy this. Let me go back to here and let me search it for taboola. So you can see this particular YouTube channel has a lot of videos on this particular topic, taboola, like you can see like almost like 10-20 videos on this particular topic. So that's the reason this guy is ranked at the first position, and this particular guy has a lot of videos on this YouTube search term. You can see here, so like you can see the third position is, he wants the third position, and like on the fourth position, and he have a lot of videos on this particular search term because he have more content. That's the reason. If I have more content on this particular topic, then I have more chances of getting ranked. So that's the reason he's getting a lot of views for this particular search term than compared to me. Because if someone searches taboola and they look at this video, so even they don't click on the first one, they're going to click on the third one, right? So the third one is his channel. Still the views are going to his channel, like not from the first ranking, from his third ranking, like from his fourth ranking. Like you can see here, so this one is also taboola, goes to the same particular channel. So like that's how you need to do it. So if you are going to rank for that particular keyword, try to make as many videos as possible. So that's one of the easiest way you can rank for that video. Just don't keep on making the same exact video again and again. So try to cover a different topic on that particular search term. If it's like creating a taboola ads, then I can easily make a video on how to not getting banned on taboola website, or else how to not look at this channel. So what are the taboola ads? So I can explain what are taboola ads. So I can make a video on that, like creating a taboola ad. I already did that. So how to create a taboola account, like I can also do that. How to sign up to taboola account. So let me first show you guys how to use this particular keyword on your title and on your description. So you can see here. So I just created a title on how to create account and set up a campaign on taboola. So the goal is to rank for the particular word taboola. So you can also see here, I mentioned it twice on the title. So you can also do that. So you can see here, taboola tutorial. So that's the second tag I need to rank for. So let me go back here, and you can see here, I just searched taboola tutorial, and it has only 180 search volume. So what you need to do is you need to rank for the secondary tag, and you should show YouTube that your video is really good. So I easily got ranked for the second tag, and people are really interested, and they watched all the way throughout the video, and they liked, and they also commented. So YouTube will get an idea on your videos performing really well. Then what it does is it will also recommend your content and rank to the main keyword. So that's what happened on this particular video. So always have the main keyword on your first line of your description. So you can see on the first line, I have mentioned twice of that particular keyword, like taboola here and also here. And also it's a keyword, right? Taboola tutorial is another keyword I'm trying to rank for. So this is how you need to do it. Don't keep your keywords on the second line or on your third line. Try to keep on the first line like this. So I also explained what I'm gonna go through on this particular video on a brief sentence. So you can also try to do that, because here I also try to place the keywords, like you can see here, taboola placements. It's a different keyword. So I can also get ranked for this particular keyword, like taboola placements. Also, like you can see a taboola offer. Like if someone searches for taboola offer, I'm also going to get ranked for that particular keyword. So it doesn't mean just because you use taboola, you're just going to rank for taboola. If your video is going to perform really well, then what YouTube does is, so it will pick the search terms from your description, and they try to rank for that particular keyword. Like you can see here, pretty much all these words are keywords. Like you can see here, content discovery is another keyword, and desired audience is another keyword. You can see here, targeting your desired audience is another particular keyword on YouTube. If you search for it, it will have a good amount of search volume. So you can see here, top of funnel audience, it's another keyword. Like as long as you have content, something related to your video, just type it on your description, it will help you. So pretty much that's it, guys. So what you need to do is always try to have the keyword on your main title and on the description. And let me also show you the tags. So how I selected the tags. So let me go back here, let me remove this one. So just search for taboola, and it automatically gives you a lot of keywords which is related to the main keyword. You can see here, this is my weighted score, which says excellent. So if I make a video on this particular topic, then I can easily get ranked because it gives me the weighted score, not it's unweighted. So on unweighted, it still shows me the same numbers. I don't know why, but still on the weighted is what I look at. So so these are the exact keywords I have added to the main keyword. Or else what you can do is just go to the particular search term and look at the first video. So let's look at this video. So what you can do is you can easily copy his tags because he's already done the research for you, like you can see here. So these are the tags I have mostly added on the other video. I just copied this tags and I just removed his name and I added this tags to my particular video, and I can easily rank for this video. So pretty much that's it, guys. So that's how I rank my YouTube videos. So if you guys are interested in getting TubeBuddy, the pro version, you can find the links in the description. You can use that. It's an affiliate link. I get paid whenever you purchase through my link. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I'll answer all your questions. So if you liked it, just leave a like on this video, guys, because it can really help me grow on YouTube. And see you guys in the next video.